So some words in C# are reserved, and you can see the highlighting of some of these reserved keywords, like using, class, static, void. And overall, it looks like there are about 50 of these keywords, and you can just notice them by their blue highlighting, and you'll get an error if you try to create a variable or function name or class name or namespace that is using one of these reserved keywords. So if I try to use int static equals 10, you can instantly tell that the modifier static is not valid for this item. I cannot use static as a name for a variable. But I am able to do this if I use at and then a reserved keyword, then I can actually use this function. Now, this isn't going to be recommended because it's just bad style and you're overwriting reserved keywords. It's just better to have a more descriptive variable name. There's very, very few reasons or times that you will need to use a reserved keyword, because most time you'll have the ability to expand on a variable name and make it very detailed. Just really quickly, a single line comment is like most other languages. It's just 2 forward slashes. And then if you want a multi-line comment, it is this line comment. So one thing you have to be sure of is that this is a forward slash asterisk and then a asterisk forward slash with no spaces in between the slash and the asterisk. But then you can go ahead and keep on making lines as long as you want.